This week, we take the beast to Salt Lake City in search of a new camper and ask our friends which RV we should buy.
Well, we're supposed to be on the road already, but we have a dead battery, so Joe's grabbing some cables to get us jumped. It is a very chilly, windy morning here in Los Angeles. The adventure begins, my love.
That it does.
Nothing like a dead battery to start the journey. Success?
Success.
On the road.
On the road again. I say if we have another issue like that, we get a new battery.
I agree.
Because the charging system seems to be working fine. So. I have to say, while I liked having our ProMaster and how well that drove, this thing is starting to grow on me, even with 210,000 miles.
It runs very well for a 2002 vehicle. With
this many miles, yes, it does.
So it's no surprise that while we have not set up the van, you always have coffee.
Listen, it doesn't matter what I'm living in. I'll always have coffee. I just have to find a place to plug my kettle in now, since we don't have any batteries, an inverter, solar, generator, no power source whatsoever except for the engine.
Makes you appreciate what a basic van this is.
Yes.
Or,
well, it makes me appreciate all the amenities we had in our last van. Quite a bit.
There's potential.
Okay, I see the potential. The thing I'm having an issue with is the low roof. I'm finding it very difficult, even if there was a, like a kitchen area or something, very difficult to move around, work, and do things when you're not standing up, when you're used to standing up.
Well, there's always an adjustment period.
I don't know. I can only adjust to so many things.
Joe's getting some gas for the van. Can't wait to calculate the MPG.
I think we got around 15. We've been going uphill a lot of the ways.
All of these vans beep. How do you turn that off?
I don't know. Cut the wire.
Feels good to drive the beast. I like that it has cruise control. Except I can't seem to stay between the lines. The alignment is a little off. Maybe a lot off. It's a good time though.
Well, I'm very happy we ended up getting an Airbnb. Not only is it cold, but it's really cold.
Well, our first camping trip in the van hasn't turned out quite what we had planned.
No, but that's why we're flexible. All right, well, let's walk because I am freezing.
Okay.
Middle of March and it feels like middle of winter.
In the last 4 years, this is the first time we've been anywhere where it snowed.
Yeah. It's nice because we don't have to worry about winterizing the van. That was a cold walk over here.
Yes.
Good Lord. Well, you ready to do this?
Let's
RVX?
do it. RVX. Let's see what our next camper could potentially be.
I like it.
Dun dun dun.
There's supposed to be some cool reveals here. So Kate had this idea that we should ask our friends what camper they think we should get. So let's see what they have to say.
And there's Stephanie. Let's grab her.
All right.
Hi, it's Stephanie from RVFTA.com, and I'm going to live vicariously through Joe and Kate and tell them to get this beautiful
Look at that
truck
thing.
camper. I love this and I want to take it home with me, but I'll be just as happy if I get to see them exploring it.
I don't know. This is quite the camper.
Amazing!
It is. Thank you.
Are you scared? I'm scared.
Don't be scared.
I'm Kenny.
Sabrina.
We're moving forward adventures, and we're here with our friends Joe and Kate, and we have a couple ideas I think that we know that would be perfect for them. I think would be a truck camper. I think they could totally rock a truck camper, get anywhere. It's still a small footprint for them, and there's a lot of new options out on truck campers. We've seen them with slides, without slides. I think that's the way to go. What do you think?
I don't have a thought. Oh my goodness.
You gotta have some idea. Maybe back in a van for them then?
I think back in a van. I like the van.
You don't think they should mix it up?
No.
No.
I want to be able to get places. We follow some of our other friends, and there's been bridges that we get to that we can't even cross in our Class A. So I think a van.
I like it. Thanks, guys.
Thank you.
John and Nadia from Roaming Remodelers.
Hey, so I think Joe and Kate should get a Winnebago Revel, of course.
I think you guys should try the Class C life. Why not?
Interesting. A small Class C?
A small Class C, definitely. One that almost fits in a parking spot. 24 feet-ish. No more than 25 feet, guys.
Okay.
Let's see, let's find out what they do.
Hey, we're Mike and Jennifer Wendland from
And-
RV Lifestyle.
And we think that you need to get the Wonder
Rear twin bed model, to be precise.
garage, storage for bikes, anything you want to take along.
Massive
Outdoor grill.
storage.
I do like having plenty of storage for all my stuff.
Oh my gosh.
Lots of storage.
The beds are real beds, you know, with a
Comfy.
mattress.
Well, what I think's interesting is when we asked you, you both said Wonder.
Yeah.
Yeah. So and
we
separately.
we just tried it, and we did 16 states in that thing.
Mm-hmm.
and
4,000 miles.
It is just amazing. And if you get another dog, there's room for a dog.
Bo would say the Wonder because he loved it. He would jump up on one of the twin beds, one or the other, whichever he felt like that day, and look out the window.
Nice.
He loved it.
So-
Riding down the road, he was comfy.
So wonder no more. You need the Wonder.
Enjoy your Unity.
Yes, that's ours. Look at ours. Show them ours. This is ours.
Woo, so fancy. Well, I'm glad the Beast started up this morning. I was wondering if that was going to happen.
You and me both. It's okay as long as I have my coffee pot. I'm okay.
Well, it's been sitting out here for what, 3 or 4 days? We haven't even run the engine.
Yeah. That's why I'm letting it warm up and
We don't need another dead battery.
no. But when I turned the key, it started right up. So no worries.
Well, I really enjoyed RVX. Good
It was
time.
a lot of fun. All right. Well, you ready to hit the road?
I am.
Okay, well, thank you everyone for watching. If you enjoyed this, please give a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and check out our website, we'retherussos.com for more fun information. It's time to get in the beast and hit the road.